Honors speech. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty and beloved student, it is my honor and privilege to introduce our esteemed guest of honor for today's annual day celebration, Sri C.H. Prasad Rao sir, Assistant Commissioner, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan, Regional Office, Hyderabad. C.H. Prasad Rao sir is a distinguished academician and educational leader currently serving as Assistant Commissioner of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sanghatan Regional Office, Hyderabad. Our guest of honor is not a just distinguished academician but also a beacon of knowledge and inspiration in his field. His contributions to the world of academician have been nothing short of exceptional. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to C.H. Prasad Rao sir, Assistant Commissioner KVS RO Hyderabad, as he graces with his presence today. We are truly honored to have you with us today. Your presence adds immense value to our annual day celebration. Sir, please.
Good evening, all of you. Beloved parents, beloved children. First of all, I salute your wonderful performance and declared as an excellent. And today is a wonderful day for me because this program united both us, my dearest student, Mr. Gandham Chandrudu, and myself. So this is my great fortunate. So once again, I extend my heartfelt thanks my beloved Sri Gandham Chandrudu. And we used to call Chukkallo Chandrudu. We used to call in olden days, childhood time. And he studied in 6th class to 10th class. At that time I was the lecturer in history. At that time we used to recall his name as a Chukkallo Chandrudu. Now he is really the great moon. It is my dream successfully completed. Being a teacher, we always wait for my children to be greater than us. I feel very proud. There was a wonderful days we remembered. When I was in competitive examination 1995 group 1, I attended, passed up to interview, I reached. At the time, when I prepared wonderful essays on UNO and different non-alignment movement, these are GK books. At the time of 9th class itself, my dear Chandrudu, he used to take from me. When I was preparing for group 1 examinations, APPSC in Kurnool Navodaya Vidyalaya, I think he might have not remembered till that I know. At the age of 9th class, I think 8th class, 9th class, he used to collect GK books from me, this much big books, group 1 essay books. He used to study at the age of 8th class. Then I got a wonderful idea. Tomorrow he will shine like a great star. It is proved now. You know very well. My dear beloved Chandrudu and my dear Priyamaina Sishyudu Seshagiri, Vice Principal of your school, I feel very proud. He worked under my supervision in Ongole and Tirupati. When I was principal in Ongole and Tirupati, he is dealing wonderful subject English as well as science. So that is why today he is standing in front of you in wonderful stage. And overall, I request all dear parents, once again, please give your attention. I would like advise few words for you for the betterment of our children. Nowadays, there is a great challenging tasks which are damaging our children. This information you know very well. But I would like to review once again, my dear parents and dear children. Especially morning I visited 10th class, 9th class, 8th class, 11th class, 12th class children. I have a wonderful opportunity and interacted with the children. My special subject is guiding and counseling of the students. Near about 7 states I worked. Both Navodaya and Kendriya Vidyalaya I worked. From primary to deputy commissioner I worked. The psychological problems, whenever you left, automatically the default nature will come. Number one, great mistake and failure in our life. General failures, main reasons I am telling. There is a silent killer, the addict to social media. Number one point I am coming. Especially mobile phone, addict to mobile cell phone. And the same one by one video games, overwatching of networking, overwatching of cinemas, overwatching of different unwanted areas visiting. This is the area. I am not against to the science and technology. The great scientists given a wonderful opportunity for the human being. But in real now present generation, what is happening? In every house, most of the parents are very busy in their economy and earning. And the children, they are all very busy in their own operational misuse of technology. This every parent must be very high alert. Because of that, near about 450 schools I made guiding and counseling. On that basis, I am explaining my wholehearted advice to you. The cell phone addiction is very highly dangerous silent killer. It is a best friend and worst enemy also. So this area will reflect on obesity problem, eye problem, mentally disorder problem, criminalization problem, violent behavior addiction problem, and addiction to the Western bad culture, and addiction to the narcotics, and also it is leading to obesity problem, and also it is leading to too much time wasting. The total targets and aims will be demolished because of this overwatching of the cell phone. You know very well, children are just opening and seeing what they are seeing, you don't know. Just every day, my dear parents, please be high cautious. Enjoyment always we need. Nowadays, punishment is highly crime. But the child-centered education nowadays, it is very full freedom. In this occasion, I would like to recall once again, your high precaution is required. That is why, my dear parents, kindly note it very careful. The boy, those who are having first class onwards, top rank, 5th class, top rank, 8th class, top rank, 9th onwards, ranking will go down. What is the main reason? Because while growing the mindset, automatically they are all attracting to misuse of technology like cell phones, video games, and visiting unwanted Facebooks and all these things. Even small child also cannot take meals without cell phone. Like this, the addiction happened. My dear children and parents, these areas please high alert and observe properly and have a close friendship with your children and a close observation highly required. This is number one advice from my side. Second thing is, kindly avoid junk food. Nowadays, you know the importance of natural food, how it is protected from dangerous corona, you know very well. Now every child, every parent must see back to your villages. Whatever the wonderful food items, natural food items, please develop that good habit. Nowadays we are seeing all the corporate schools, all the schools, English medium, highly convent areas. Children are easily addicting to junk food, cool drinks, Coca-Colas, easily spicy foods, obesity problem development food. These are all the areas I request every food items transferred from one place to one place, packing items. This will damage all total family health. You know very well, Arogyame Mahabhagyam. The health is wealth. This word try to keep in mind and always develop the wonderful natural items along with you. So this habit also now generation has been diverted. Please kindly keep in mind. Third point is the postponement and laziness. The postponement laziness, why it is happening? Because of the misbehavior like misuse of technology, too much time has been wasted. Tiredness, eye problem, obesity problem, digestion problem. Next day they cannot move forward. They cannot calculate their own timetable. Total Sundays, second Saturdays and all the areas. 3 to 4 hours, please leave them free for the better enjoyment. But don't leave remaining time. Try to fix a wonderful time. ఎవరైనా కాలాన్ని, తల్లిదండ్రుల్ని, గురువుల్ని అవమానించిన, అపహాస్యం చేసిన శాపగ్రస్తులు అవుతారు. Time, parents and gurus, these three are the commendable personalities and areas in every human life. If you insult, automatically our progress will damage. It may be in academics or in other job or any other future requirements. So these areas, please kindly try to watch very carefully. The postponement of exams, postponement of studies, postponement of notebooks, postponement of homework, everything postpone. Even most of the children are coming without proper clean dress also, without cleaning shoes also. These are all will reflect on brain, heart and digestion system. Unknowingly it will be damage the progress of the child. So next, one more important general problem is lack of proper human relations. From the childhood, please guide properly. You are the best friends. Great parents are the best. I asked many times in many schools, Meghalaya, Shillong, where I worked there, who is your great real heroes? Somebody telling Salman Khan, somebody Pawan Kalyan, somebody Dharmendra, somebody Amitabh Bachchan, like this. Arey Pagal, you forgot your great warriors' parents. Parents are the real heroes. Parents are the real warriors. Be as a model of your own parents. Next great personalities, your gurus. These two are the deciding factors in your life. These are the areas we used to counsel. Plus your side also, please. Even unknowingly parents also, many parents, he is wonderful hero, wonderful hero. No, there are great heroes in our Indian history. And there are great heroes in our village. There are great heroes, our forefathers. There are great heroes, our parents. There are great heroes, our teachers. These areas nowadays a little bit back. My dear parents, please, while having a good friendship with your children, try to have this type of human values regularly touch their heart. And also, many parents generally they used to give wrong advice. Ramesh toti sneham cheyoddu, vaadito palakoddu, veedito palakoddu, don't make friendship. Please don't touch the heart of the child from the child. The same tendency has been developed and they are becoming enemy to country, enemy to society, enemy to yourself also. Why? Because the frustration, violent mannerism and a different angry movement reflecting on you. Because of you are dividing the natural right of every child. That is best friendship. You collect them, tell them and suggest them about the best friend. You tell them to what are the basic points for the best friendship? Kind nature, equality, fraternity, sacrifice, helping nature, dynamism and adventurous areas, safety and security. These are all the best areas for the best friendship. These areas must be flown to the children and advice. Recently in Germany, 9 scientists group of great persons released their statement. Those who are having 10 best friendship in their life, definitely their age will be increased to 20 years. They will go back 20 years. This much young because there is a great love and affection, smile, happiness, everything is behind the great human relations like best friendship. And the last and final point is the downfall of the confidence level because of all the bad behaviors like negative thinking, postponement, misuse of technology, and lack of proper master timetables, lack of proper human relations. Automatically the child psychology will become very weak and it will attract negative thinking. And automatically, and while delivering your speech or good friendship with children, appreciation and the praising of the child continuously have to attach. If you give disappoint words, if you compare to others and scolding frequently, if you attach to the punishments, automatically the child psychology, their confidence level will come down. These are all the best psychological areas we have to check every time. And the last and final, there is a great importance is there for health, physical, mental exercises. At least 2 hours you along with your children. Please engage in continuous physical, mental exercises, meditation, walking, whatever you want, very easiest manner you select. Lack of this, most of these children are youngsters and elders. They are all in very disappoint level, digestion problem, sleepless nights they are doing, and so many anger movements, internal family grudges leading because of the unrest mindset developing the different of dangerous situations. My dear parents and children, the confidence level whenever you increase it, the child, it is in our hand only. The appreciation, praising and smile, best human relations. This only will decide their greater future. So these are all the 6 points I would like to bring to your notice because we are always struggled 38 years. I struggled with the psychological problems. I stand on the psychology of my child where I have to touch. I have to touch the heart of my child, not body. I am against to the punishment. I have to touch the real ground level problem of my child. This will help throughout the lifelong. That is the example, my dear student, Mr. Gandham Chandrudu. Thank you. God bless you.
Sir, please.